Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain what lead magnet is, why it is used. I will show you what are the essential elements of a high converting lead magnet, and I will give you a few good examples. Make sure to stick to the end of the video because I will be giving you a bonus tip at the end. Also, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos on how to build a successful online business. One of the most effective ways to get visitors to subscribe to your email list is by offering them something in exchange for their email address. That offer is called a lead magnet. Now, you can just say subscribe to my email list. People won't give you their contact information just like that. They want something in return. You need to create an irresistible offer for your audience so they are willing to give you their email address in exchange for that valuable offer. Once you have acquired their email address, you can build a relationship with your audience until they are ready to become your customer. The key to building an engaged email list is having a high converting lead magnet. Here are 5 essential elements of a high converting lead magnet. Number 1. A lead magnet has to be digital, so it can be instantly accessible. Your lead magnet will work best if it is something that can be delivered right away. Number 2. Help them solve a specific problem. A successful lead magnet provides a detailed and specific solution for the targeted audience. If you can figure out what problem your audience has and provide them with a lead magnet that helps them solve their problem, then they will happily sign up to your email list. For example, people that are doing YouTube videos can benefit from some free YouTube video upload checklists. Number 3. Make it easy to consume. It has to be easy for your audience to consume your content. This means that people should be able to easily read and absorb what you are sharing with them. Most lead magnets should be able to be consumed in 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure that your content is concise and to the point so they can consume it quickly and easily. Number 4. It has to provide high value. This is extremely important. It should have both high perceived value and high actual value. Your lead magnet has to look professional, and that is very important for creating your brand. You always need to deliver at least what you have promised. But it is also good if you sometimes even over-deliver on your promise. Number 5. Build trust with your audience. By sending valuable emails, you're able to build a deeper relationship with your audience. That's very important because people are more likely to buy from someone they know, like, and trust. When you solve their problem, you establish your expertise, which builds trust. Your lead magnet should be a reflection of you and your style, as this helps them to get to know you. So those were 5 essential elements of a good lead magnet. Now, what you can give in exchange for that email address? Well, here are 5 things that you could offer. Number 1. A resource list. You can help your audience by doing a list of tools and resources they can use to take advantage or do something more conveniently. So let's say, for example, you are vlogging. In that case, you can create a list of 5 tools that every vlogger should be using to succeed on YouTube. Number 2. Offer a checklist. So let's say, for example, you teach about e-commerce and dropshipping. When picking a good product to sell, there are few criteria that the product must meet in order to be a winning product. You can easily create a product validation checklist and offer it in exchange for that email address. Number 3. You can offer templates. So let's say, for example, you are doing tutorials on how to edit photos in photo editing software like Adobe Lightroom. You can create a template or a preset and people will happily sign up to your email list, assuming they like your style of photos. Number 4. A free course. Now, a free course or a free training can be a great lead magnet if you can teach your audience how to solve a specific problem. This is a great high-value item that a person might even want to pay for, but you are giving it for free, and this is showing them how much amazing value you have to offer, and then you can upsell them something later on. And finally, number 5. An ebook. An ebook can also be a good lead magnet if the information it contains is of a high value and solve a specific problem that your audience has. Now, for example, if you are teaching about email marketing, you can create an ebook on how to write the perfect email. Now, you can use canva.com to create and design all of your lead magnet. Canva is a free graphic design platform, and you can make professional ebooks without having any design skills. You can also use it to design your thumbnails, YouTube banners, and social media photos. Now, if you don't know what to write or you don't have the time to create a professional ebook, the bonus tip would be to go on a website called IDPLR and purchase an ebook that you can give to your audience. On that site, they have ready-made ebooks for almost every niche, and if you buy something, you also get the right to give it to your audience. I will put all the links from the websites mentioned in this video in the description below, so you can check them out if you want. Lead magnets are a great way to provide real value while at the same time growing your email list. Be specific, solve problems, and give people what they really want. Remember, at the end of it all, the intent is to build a lifetime relationship with your audience. Hopefully, you now know how a good lead magnets look like. Tell me in the comment section below what type of lead magnet would you use for your specific audience, or if you don't know yet, let me know for which audience you want to make a lead magnet, so I might be able to give you advice for your particular case. If you like this video, hit that like button, it really helps with the algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to build a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video.